So we're out there tackling the snow as it's coming down at this point. We expect it's going to get quite heavy over the next couple of hours, but right now we have all 32 of our trucks out there plowing and sanding. We've got in about 32 contractors that are on the road as well, and earlier this morning we sent out 9 of our garbage packers as well with plows on them. So we've got the roads pretty well covered, and we're trying to keep ahead of the storm. And I think tomorrow we're not going to have any school. We're taking a look at whether or not we're going to have city employees come in. But right now, I would urge everyone to, if you don't have to be on the road, stay home, enjoy the football games, enjoy some time with your family, and stay safe.